And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. It's a pretty short one. It's going to be 2 battery covers for these Razrs I've ordered. I have 5 Altel ones that I found working, and then 2 Sprints, a Verizon, a US Cellular, and there's another couple of brands in there. But I found these 2 Altel ones for $4.99, and I figured if they were good enough quality, I'll go ahead and buy some more from the same seller. So we're going to take a look at them. They should be OEM with the Altel branding and everything in them. So hopefully they are. Also, I'm going to be doing an update on the phones that I've gotten. So they'll be coming out pretty soon. So here they are. See, one's got the Altel branding and one doesn't. So we're kind of off to an iffy start already. That's why I only buy a couple just to make sure before I buy a whole bunch. This one kind of looks like the brownish color. I'll take a look at them. Yeah, see, it's kind of the brownish, but this is the black. So we're going to put this, we're going to put this on the Altel one I have. See, it doesn't really match in color. Let me grab the espresso color. This is the brownish one from Verizon. And you can see the tab is bent right there. Try to bend that back so it fits in here. There we go. See how maybe that matches more? They actually kind of look about the same. But I guess at least it got back covers on there. I'll message the seller and see maybe if they just sent me the wrong ones. These were supposed to be the black. But it does match. If you look really closely, it does match a little bit better on this one. Kind of. The camera makes it look really out. But if you get the right angle, these do look about the same. But at least I got something on there. So that's good. This is a short little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.